everybody. Welcome to Sew What You Like. I am your girl, Mari Mills. I'm just going to laugh. But I'm here. Here I am. Okay. So, yes. I've been on a hiatus. However, I'm back. You know, there's school, baby showers, all types of stuff going on, okay? That required my attention. But anyway, in this video, as I promised in my last video, I was going to be bringing you some hacks, all right, for jumpsuit and rompers, okay? So I have 4 hacks that I'm going to go over with you today, all right? And I'm super excited about these hacks, and I really, really love how they turned out. And we'll probably be making more. So if you want to see these 4 hacks, keep on watching. All right, guys. I missed you all. All right. So, guys, thank you so much to my returning subscribers. And hello to my new subscribers. So glad that you decided to join me on my creative journey. I'm just kind of getting started. If I can keep my foot on the gas, we'll be all right, okay? So as I said, I'm going to go over 4 hacks today, okay? I'm going to show you the patterns and, of course, the hacks themselves, all right? So let's get right into it. The first one up is going to be this here. If I can get it together. You already know me. I gotta get it together. Okay, so the first one up is going to be this here romper. And you know what? I'm going to turn the camera, okay? All right. So it's this here romper, okay? And you can see it has the 2 straps right here. And it is a 1 shoulder. Y'all know how I feel about them 1 shoulders. I love a good 1 shoulder. So yes, this is it. Not much to the back. Okay. Now, this fabric is gorgeous. I love all the colors in here. All of them. Do you hear me? Okay. Now, the patterns, you know what? I'm going to go over the next one, and then I'll talk about the patterns that I use because they have a similar pattern in common. All right, and the next one, I only did 1 jumpsuit, which I'm surprised. But that's not to say that I won't have future ones, okay? So I'm going to kind of put this around my neck. So this is a halter, okay? This is a halter. And as you can see, it has the ring here, all right? Let's see if we can come down some more. All right, so it has the ring. And so the pants are quite long. And I may not be able to get it all in there, but they're quite long, okay? And they're kind of wide. The pants are kind of wide. But yes, I love, 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 love this. Let's see, can we go down a little further? Okay. Hey, we can see it. I love this jumpsuit. I wore this jumpsuit. Can y'all see me in it? Can you imagine me in it? I wore this jumpsuit for my annual barbecue. And I love the flowiness of it. Okay? And I love the halter. I love, that little ring just did something to it. Okay? So, yep. So I like that. Love it. All right. So now I'm going to go over the patterns that I use for the two that I just showed you because they use similar patterns, okay? So it only makes sense. All right. So for the top portion, for this one, I used McCall's 8323, all right? And we used, or I used, VB right here, View B. Okay, you see the two straps? All right, and these are all knit romper and jumpsuit. They're all knit. Everything's knit. All right, so that is the top portion for that one. And for the black and white one here, I used View A. Okay? So View A for that one. And then for the bottoms, I used New Look 6381. Okay? So I used, what is this? View C. I used the View C pants for the black and white one. And I used the View D shorts for the colorful one here. Okay? So yeah, so those are the two patterns that I used to create those two gorgeous hugs. All right. Now, moving right along. You know, I wanted something like a little sporty romper that was one shoulder, but in a color that I didn't have. Okay. So here it is. Okay. Here it is. Here we go. Here we go. So we have pockets. Okay. And this is not really one shoulder. It's more off the shoulder. So let me correct myself. This is off the shoulder, okay? So it'll go up like this. You got a little shoulder action going on here. And I love this color, okay? This color is gorgeous. And believe it or not, this is a 2 for $4 from Walmart, this material. And this is like a, we're going to say like a French terry or sweatshirt fleece, something like that. It's one of those two. Yeah, so that is cute. You know what? And you can, I wore this, I think I've wore it twice already. Okay, and let me just tell you, I don't have pictures in this one. I don't have pictures of the black and white one. However, the blue colorful one, I will insert a picture of that so you can kind of get an idea of how it looks on the body. And I will do better with my pictures. But when you're in the moment having fun, you're not worried about no pictures. Even though you want to have memories of being cute, sometimes it's not that important. And the other one, because I just recently wore it, the last one I'm going to show you, I'll insert a picture of that because I have one. All right? But yes, I wore this with some sneakers one time. Okay? And then there's another time I wore it with some kind of rose gold sandals. Okay, so very versatile. Very versatile, okay? Oh, and you know what? Listen, y'all. I hadn't forgot to take out the bottoms for this, but I have showed you guys a pattern before, but I'll insert it because I don't have it out. But I will show you what I use for the top. And many of you might already have guessed it in looking at it, what I used. Okay, so I used Vogue 1835 for the top. And I used View A, okay? So this is View A. That's what I use for the top. And I'll, like I said, I'll insert the picture of the bottom, the shorts that I use, because it's my favorite pattern. When we talked about the rompers, patterns that you should have, romper / jumpsuit patterns you should have, it was in there, and it's a McCall's pattern, okay? And the last, y'all, I had this material in my stash for probably 3 years. And I kept saying, oh, what am I going to make with it? It's so colorful and cute. And I just kind of wanted to hold on to it. But are you ready? How cute is that? Now, this is one shoulder. Okay? And I know you can't really get an idea of how it looks. And I have a picture and I'll insert it because, baby, I was cute. She was cute. Okay? And if you've been following me on social media, you probably have seen this one and this one. And if you're not following me on social media, why not? All right? So, yes, here is this one. And let me tell you a funny story about this one. So, as I was making it, I was able to kind of like slip into it, right? But when you go to fold the band under, and I tried to slip it on, I was like, yeah, I ain't getting in this. I am not getting in this. So, I had to add a zipper. Okay? So, I have to put a zipper on the side. And I'm okay with that because I love, love, love this. Okay? So, let me show you the patterns I use for that. All right? So, we have, and let me get the pattern number because I didn't do 9776. Simplicity 9776. Mimi G. All right. So I used the top to view A. Okay. Top to view A is what I used for the top portion of that romper. All right. And for the bottoms, I used McCall's 8057. These are the shorts that I use right here. Okay? All right. That concludes the 4 hacks that I did that I told you guys about. And let me turn this way. So, yes, guys, that concludes the 4 hacks. I hope that you guys like those hacks. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about the hacks. Have you tried any of these pairings? Okay. Are these some pairings that you would try? Oh, wait a minute. Y'all see my earrings I made? Aren't they cute? I just love things that dangle. Okay, so anyway, yep. So leave a comment below. Let me know if you have used any of these combinations with the patterns in making a hack, you know, a romper, a jumpsuit, a dress. Let your girl know. All right. And that's all, folks. So if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And you're probably like, girl, because you be missing in action. Okay, that's okay. There's other videos for you to watch. Okay. So yeah, so please, if you have been here more than 1 or 2 times, please consider subscribing. Okay. And please give this video a thumbs up. It helps other, you know, viewers reach my content who like sewing, right? Or just like to look at people make clothes, or just like to look at clothes. All right. So yes, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and have on your notification bell for when I post my next video. All right. And I thank you so much for tuning in and taking time out of your day. All right. So the next video that I'll be dropping will be, I'm thinking, I have some other things that I've made. So I'm going to go over some of my, more recent makes that were after these. All right. And I might show you this fabric. I got some fabric in, and one of the fabric pieces is from out of the country. And it's yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. All right, guys. So see you in the next video.